What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fish and Water TV. I'm down at this little creek spot. Gonna get some bait, head to another creek spot so we can get some big catfish. Let's get to it. That was first cast. I wasn't even filming. Got me a little chub. Put that in a bucket. We'll use it live, and if it doesn't work live, we'll cut it up and use cut bait chub. See how that does. Alright, I'd say that's enough bait. Might be too much actually, but oh yeah. Sunfish, perfect. Perfect. Let's get to the next creek. I want to try something. As you can see, there is a ton, I mean a ton of mulberries. There's tons on the ground. I went fishing in this creek the other day and I caught a catfish and I cut it open and ate it, and there was tons of mulberries in its stomach. So I'm gonna get a bunch of these, collect them, and we're gonna try it at the other spot and see. I'm curious. Kind of sounds weird using mulberries as bait, but oh shit, down the hatch. He has an ATM right there that gives out fives. I only have enough from, I was just getting a thing of worms. I think I only have $5 on me.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Alright, I had to make a quick pit stop. I heard the smallmouth been biting here recently, so threw a Ned rig, and I also got a little swim bait here. We'll see if we can get any. Are you kidding me? Throwing literally the lure is about the size of the fish I just caught. No way that just hit that. Throw him back. That's not what we wanted. Looking for a smallmouth. On the Ned rig. Yeah. Oh, he's all up in those weeds.
Oh, he's a nice one.
Oh yeah. Boat flip. Oh yeah.
That's got to be 16, 17, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Smallie.
27 when he's that way.
That's nice to catch smallmouth though. I don't catch them very often. Not around here anyway. It's a nice one. That
is a nice one.
Oh, there he goes. I felt him tap, 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 and then he whacked it. All right, I'm here. all that dilly-dallying. Finally here. Had to go catch me a smallmouth before I came to this spot. The lake was on the way. I couldn't resist. Oh. Water went down. It was pretty flooded last week. I was still catching them though. The water went way down. We had that right there. Was completely underwater. We hooked up. We hooked up. Haven't even been here that long. We hooked up. I brought a net this time. Make this a little easier on myself. Oh yeah. Didn't take very long at all. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Chill there, bud. Nice little cat. Smaller one for this creek. And go. Bam. Be free. So I'm just chucking it right in that current right there. Letting it sink. Setting it down like this. Keeping an eye. And it's getting bit pretty fast. As you can tell, it's already getting bit. Bullhead. Where's the big fish at? Alright. I caught one catfish and one bullhead. It's a little slow. It's pretty hot out. I think I'm gonna jump in this water. It's looking nice. It's looking refreshing. Oh, there's a train. Scared me a little bit. Woo! Oh yeah, that felt real nice. I'm just gonna sunbathe here on this rock. Oh yeah, looking green. Okay, I got something nice here. I got something really nice here. Oh. Big ass carp, a liver. That's a liver. No way. Big old carp on chicken liver, bro. Thought it was a big cat. Come here. Come here. Pow. We got him. Gee Louise, dude. Look at that. That's a look. That's a nice fish. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, we got this big carp here. Oh yeah. Let's get it back. There it goes. Well, that was awesome. Been fishing all day. It's like 1 o'clock. Got out to the first spot at like 8. I'm a little tired. I've been up all night. But I do a little bit more fishing before we decide to get out of here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there is a big old turtle sitting on that log over there. Big old turtle. This one just got hit. Nothing wants that live bait. Alright, we gotta go on a rescue mission. I got my thing stuck in the tree earlier, and I got a fish and I got caught in my line. Check this out. Go get that fish. I got off my line, now I'm in my other line. Ooh. That fish got teeth marks in it. Something tried to eat it. Ooh. Alright. Better let this little guy go. Alright, and there's the notorious bluegill. First one of these I caught here all year. It's hooked weird. I don't know, I think the bite's slowing down. Why is it hooked like that? Shit's like not even hooked. It's just like wrapped. Alright, that about wraps it up. Kind of slowed down a little bit. Gonna get it out of here. Go edit this, go post this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.